Sorry, when did you first start feeling it, Greg?
Yesterday before the game.
Have you experienced that before?
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
Was it on a swing or just tightness?
Just before the game when I was getting loose.
What's your prognosis?
Spasms. So that's good.
Like how, do they have an estimate of, like, or is that one of the things you don't know when they're going to go?
I don't know. Give it a few days, see where I'm at. Yeah. I would guess.
I know the season has not gone as far as health the way you would have liked it. To have another little misstep here, it has to be pretty frustrating for you, I'd assume.
Yeah, I mean, it is. I'm not going to lie. Just keep working, really. That's all I can do. So keep working at it and get feeling better.